Owls are birds from the order Strigiformes, which includes over 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey, typified by an upright stance, a large broad head, binocular vision, and feathers adapted for silent flight, binaural hearing, and sharp talons. The long-legged buzzard is a bird of prey found widely in several parts of Eurasia and in North Africa. This species ranges from southeastern Europe down to East Africa to the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. The long-legged buzzard is a member of the genus Buteo, being one of the larger species therein. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mature female cattle are called cows, and mature male cattle are bulls. Young female cattle are called heifers. Young male cattle are oxen or bullocks, and castrated male cattle are known as steers. Cattle are commonly raised for meat, for dairy products, and for leather. Sea lions are pinnipeds characterized by external ear flaps, long foreflippers, the ability to walk on all fours, short and thick hair, and a big chest and belly. Together with the fur seals, they make up the family Otariidae. Eared seals, the sea lions have 6 extant and 1 extinct species in 5 genera. Sea lions can swim in burst speeds up to 25 miles per hour, but generally cruise at approximately 11 miles per hour. Sea lions gain speed by porpoising, gliding on the water's surface to minimize resistance. Surfing in front of waves or large whales seems to be a fun activity for sea lions. Sea lions have often been called the angels of the sea due to the unique way that they swim. Stingrays are a group of sea rays, a type of cartilaginous fish. They are classified in the suborder Myliobatidae of the order Myliobatiformes and consist of 8 families: Hexatrigonidae, Plesiobatidae, Urolophidae, Uratrigonidae, Dasyatidae, Potamotrigonidae, Gymnuridae, and Myliobatidae. With their wide, flat bodies, may not look like fish, but they are. They are related to sharks, and like their shark cousins, they do not have bones. Stingrays are disc-shaped and have flexible, tapering tails armed in most species, with 1 or more saw-edged, venomous spines. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds from the family Sphenicidae of the order Spheniciformes. They live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, only 1 species. The Galapagos penguin is found north of the equator. Penguins eat exclusively seafood, and their favorites include fish, squid, and crustaceans. Small penguin feet are adapted to walk long distances. Some species of penguins can march up to about 60 miles across sea ice to get to their breeding grounds. They can dive really deep for a feed. It can launch itself up to 6 feet into the air as they leave the water to return to land. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turtles are reptiles of the order Testudines, characterized by a special shell developed mainly from their ribs. Many turtles migrate short distances seasonally. Sea turtles are the only reptiles that migrate long distances to lay their eggs on a favored beach. Proteroestor linki, the red-knob sea star, red spine star, African sea star, or the African red-knob sea star, is a species of starfish from the Indian Ocean. Knobby starfish may look dangerous because of the brightly colored knobs, nodules, and spines, but the fact is that they are not venomous. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal in the clade Odontoceti, toothed whale. Dolphins range in size from the 1.7 meters long and 50-kilogram Maui's dolphin to 9.5 meters. Various species of dolphins exhibit sexual dimorphism, where the males are larger than females. Dolphins use their conical teeth to capture fast-moving prey. They have well-developed hearing, which is adapted for both air and water. It is so well-developed that some can survive even if they are blind. Dolphins are widespread. Most species prefer the warm waters of the tropic zones, but some, such as the right whale dolphin, prefer colder climates. Dolphins feed largely on fish and squid. The name dinosaur comes from the Greek words deinos, terrible or fearfully great, and sauros, reptile or lizard. Dinosaur, clade Dinosauria, the common name given to a group of reptiles, often very large. that first appeared roughly 245 million years ago, near the beginning of the Middle Triassic epoch, and thrived worldwide for nearly 180 million years. Most died out by the end of the Cretaceous period, about 66 million years ago, but many lines of evidence now show that one lineage evolved into birds about 155 million years ago. There are 6 species of flamingo called the American flamingo, Caribbean flamingo, Andean flamingo, Chilean flamingo, greater flamingo, James's flamingo, Puna flamingo, and lesser flamingo. American flamingos are one of the largest species of flamingo, found in the Caribbean and along the northern coast of South America. These extraordinarily social birds live in flocks that sometimes number in the thousands. A pigment in their food gives their feathers their flamboyant pink color. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The ostrich is the largest and heaviest living bird. Its height is 9 feet tall and weighing over 300 pounds. The emu is the runner-up, measuring up to 7 feet tall and weighing up to 125 pounds. Pigeons and doves belong to the same family of birds, Columbidae, which consists of more than 300 species of birds. They share similar features like thick and round bodies, short necks and thin beaks, but doves are generally of a smaller stature, while pigeons are often larger and stubbier. Pigeons are very fast birds, which is one of the reasons they make great messengers. Rabbits are small mammals in the family Leporidae, which is in the order Lagomorpha. They are familiar throughout the world as a small herbivore, a prey animal, a domesticated form of livestock, and a pet, having a widespread effect on ecologies and cultures. Most of their diet should be fresh hay and grass, with some leafy greens and a few pellets. They should only be given fruit and root vegetables, like carrots. Peahens are the females of the species known as peafowl. Most peahens will not lay in their first year of production. During the second and third years, they will produce a few eggs. It is not until their 4th year that they will lay 5 to 9 eggs a year. Peahens are attentive mothers and take good care of their chicks. Known as pea chicks, peahens are omnivores, feeding on seeds, insects, small reptiles, and fruits. Macaws are a group of New World parrots that are long-tailed and often colorful. In the tribe Arini, they are popular in aviculture or as companion parrots, although there are conservation concerns about several species in the wild. Macaw, common name of about 18 species of large colorful parrots, native to tropical North and South America. With their perky crest and natural curiosity, cockatoos are among the most well-known and loved members of the parrot family. They are found in Australia and the smaller island countries to the north and west, and they live in forested areas of all types, from eucalyptus groves to pine forests and rainforests. Cockatoos are large hookbill parrots. There are over 20 species of cockatoos, each with their own behaviors and personalities. Flower-horned cichlids are ornamental aquarium fish, noted for their vivid colors and the distinctively shaped heads for which they are named. They are aggressive and should be kept alone unless cared for by an experienced fish handler. The black swan is a large water bird, a species of swan which breeds mainly in the southeast and southwest regions of Australia. Within Australia, the black swan is nomadic, with erratic migration patterns dependent on climatic conditions. Tortoises have dome-shaped shells with high arches. Homegrown leaves and edible weeds are better than bought fruit and vegetables as they have a higher nutrient content. Always make sure water is available for your tortoise.
Let him fish. How many fish count? Small fish count. Small fish, eat everything. Oh, blue fish.